Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about resonance in series RLC circuit. Resonance in series RLC circuits. Resonance in series RLC circuit. Resonance in series RLC circuits. First of all, what do you mean by resonance? Why the resonance is occurring in a system? What do you mean by resonance? Why the resonance is occurring in system? And what is the reason for resonance occurring in a system? First, the reason for resonance is nothing but the system consists of any two energy storing elements. Okay, now what are the energy storing elements? First, the reason is nothing but energy storing elements. Energy storing elements. What are the energy storing elements? That is inductor and capacitor. Inductor and capacitor. If these two elements present in a system, then a resonance is occurring in a system. First of all, what do you mean by resonance? What is resonance? What is resonance? Next, resonance is a phenomena that occurs when the frequency of the supply is equal to the natural frequency of the circuit. Is it clear? Resonance is a phenomena that occurs when sub frequency of the supply voltage, is it clear, frequency of the supply voltage is equal to the natural frequency of the circuit. Natural frequency general we are calling as omega. Okay, it is measured in radians per second. Is it clear? It is a phenomena. It is a phenomenon that occurs when the frequency when the frequency of the applied voltage when the frequency of the applied voltage is equal to the natural frequency is equal to the natural frequency we are denoting with omega of the circuit of the circuit. Is it clear? It is a phenomenon that occurs when the frequency of the applied voltage is equal to the natural frequency of the circuit. Yeah. At this frequency, at this frequency, at this frequency, the circuit has the minimum impedance. Circuit has the minimum impedance and the maximum current. Is it clear? At a resonance condition, the circuit having that resonance condition, the circuit having minimum impedance. This is very very important. Circuit having minimum impedance and maximum current. Is this clear? This is what resonance. It is a phenomenon that occurs when the frequency of the applied voltage is equal to the natural frequency of the circuit. At this condition, at this frequency, the circuit has the minimum impedance and the maximum current. Circuit has the minimum impedance and the maximum current. Is it clear? Then, therefore, therefore, this frequency, the circuit, the circuit behaves like a pure resistor. Circuit behaves like a pure resistive with no reactance. With no reactance. This is also important point. At this condition, circuit behaves like a pure resistive and with no reactance, means reactance of the circuit is zero. Reactance of the circuit is zero. Is this clear? Yeah, this is what resonance are. Another way to express the resonance or or resonance is a condition or resonance is a condition at which the voltage across the circuit, the voltage across the circuit, voltage across the circuit is in phase with the current flowing through it. Current flowing through current flowing through it. Is it clear? And resonance is a condition at which the voltage across the circuit is in phase with the current flowing through it. And or we can say that resonance is a condition. Resonance is a condition at which current flowing through the circuit current flowing through the circuit is maximum. Current flowing through the circuit is maximum. Is this clear? And this is what resonance in series RLC circuit. Yeah. And it with voltage across the circuit, voltage across the circuit is in phase with current flowing through the circuit, or is a condition at which current flowing through the circuit is maximum. Current flowing through the circuit is maximum. Is this clear? Yeah. Now let us consider series RLC circuit. Let us consider series RLC circuit. Let us consider series RLC circuit is connected to is connected to an AC supply. Is connected to an AC supply as shown in figure. Resistor, inductor, capacitor. RLC. This is V is equal to Vm sin omega t. And the current I of t is phi. Current I of t is phi. From this circuit, we need to write the formula for impedance. First, the impedance of pure resistor or pure resistor Z is equal to R, and the impedance of pure inductor Z is equal to J omega L, that is equal to JXL, and the impedance of pure capacitor pure capacitor Z is equal to minus JXL or minus J by omega C. Remember, this is also important. Impedance of pure resistor Z is equal to R, and the impedance of pure inductor Z is equal to J omega L. Impedance of pure capacitor Z is equal to minus JXC. Minus JXC it is. Is it clear? Then now write impedance of series RLC circuit. Yeah. Impedance of series RLC circuit Z is equal to R plus JXL minus JXC. R plus JXL minus JXC, that is equal to R plus J of XL minus XL. Okay, and this is the impedance of the circuit, and we know that at resonance Z must be resistive Z must be resistive means Z is minimum. Z is minimum. Z must be resistive. Therefore, the condition for resonance when the impedance is minimum, when the net reactance of the circuit is equal to 0, when XL is equal to XC, then impedance is minimum. Therefore, the condition for resonance. Therefore, the condition for resonance is net reactance of the circuit is 0. That is XL minus XC is equal to 0. XL minus XC is equal to 0, or XL is equal to XC. Then Z is minimum. Z becomes only R. L minus X is equal to 0, or XL is equal to XC. This is the condition for resonance. This is the condition for resonance. Now, derive the resonance frequency formula. For that, we know that XL is nothing but omega L, and XC is nothing but 1 by omega C. And from this, just cross multiply. Omega square is equal to 1 by LC, and square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. We get omega is equal to 1 by under root LC. Okay. General, we are calling this as omega R, means resonance. Omega is nothing but natural frequency. Natural frequency of the circuit measured in radians per second. Okay. We know that omega is nothing but 2 pi f. 2 pi, I am writing FR. That is equal to 1 by under root LC. 1 by under root LC. Therefore, FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC. Okay. And this is the resonance frequency. Units hertz. Where omega R is equal to natural frequency, and FR is equal to resonance frequency. FR is equal to resonance frequency. Is this clear? This is the formula for resonance. Omega R is equal to 1 by under root LC, or FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC. Is this clear? Yeah. Thank you.